Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Asifa Nuraini from elementary school class 23E with NIM 202301001030. Here I will explain the content of the paper I wrote in season 14. Slide 1. Praise to the Supreme Lord who has given me the confidence of completing this paper. Without his help, might not be able to solve it well. This paper is arranged so that reader can expand knowledge about EPS approach in SD. This paper is arranged with various obstacles, whether it comes from myself and coming from outside, but with full faith and especially help from the Supreme Lord. Eventually, this paper can be resolved. This paper lots about EPS approach in SD, where a teacher or potential teacher must be able to master the approach and learning strategies. Learning approach are the way to manage student activities and student behavior so that they can be activity performing their duty to learn more or more object. I certainly realized that this paper is still far from the perfect word and there are still many options and different in. Thank you. Slide 2. Preliminary background. EPS is one of the subjects that are given from development. EPS education not only related to cognitive development with regard to intellectual aspect only. EPS in SD is a congregation of an integrated cognition of the history, geography, economic, political, anthropology, and ecological. One of the main objectives of EPS learning is to build student knowledge about the manusia current in life, communicate in the past, now, and in the future. Attempt to achieve the above goals can be developed through development of the stability of the solution in the comprehensive and integrated learning practice. Good learning should have a goal of teaching students to obtain learning outcomes of a blend of cognitive, effective, and motor as well balanced. Social science is a subject that has an important role in forming a good citizen judgment. Others can inherit and continue the culture of his people. Slide 3. Discussion. EPS approach. A definition of the approach. The approach contains the meaning of a way of view or how to meet something with the country from certain assumption. EPS listen as us pedagogical technical term to obtain learning, technique, or learning process in EPS subject. Of its EPS lesson in mean of being or perspective of the study of student in the EPS subject, and the criterion of the condition of the condition and climate allow the occurrence of learning process. Approach is very important for teacher because teacher in the eyes of advisor is other than functioning as classroom manager and learning facilitator, also become social actor. Therefore, by studying this type of approach can lead to the confidence of a teacher to perform the EPS teacher. The approach depends on various things: level of education, the purpose, and the environment of the special education. This means that a teacher must cause approach that set needs of this history is given to instill all of the struggle, hero, the country, and the nation. Learning approach can be the artist a point of projecting or point of view against the learning process. The refers to the view of the process well-made process. It is inspiring, strengthening, and links the learning method with content the theoretical covered. B. How does an EVS learning method based on cognitive approach? One method of learning is based on cognitive approach is the inquiry training. The inquiry learning method is a process to obtain and get information by observing or experiment to find answer or solve problem to the reality or formulation of the problem using the critical and logical thinking capabilities. The application is more focused on a free but direct and systematic investigation. The inquiry learning method is activity should be able to present events that student to the intellectual confirmation. 1. Presenting issue. 2. Collects data and verification of data. 3. Collection new element. 4. Forming the equivalent. 5. Analyzing the inquiry process. This to note the teacher in the simplifying method inquiry is the following. 1. Plan the team to ask. 2. Student can perform group. 3. Continue inquiry exchange with discussion round. 4. Ask the research that made the issue as much allowed. C. Implementation of asking is before speaker the arguably. 1. Presenting issue. 2. Collect data and data verification. 3. Collect new element. 4. Forming the thinker. 5. Earn the inquiry process. They applying the EVS learning method based on the cognitive approach. For example, grab the 1. Basic convention ability to understand the nature of social and natural social anxiety of neighboring. 2. Voting materials of natural and social states Indonesia and neighboring countries. 3. Learning outcomes shown on map and of neighboring country of Indonesia. Slide last. Cover conclusion. The approach contains the meaning of a way of view or how to respond to something with a content of AUSUS approach in EVS learning in means of being or perspective of the study of student in the EVS subject and the effort to create possible condition and climates. The occurrence of learning process approach is very important for teacher because teacher become the example of social actor. For as the story can be discussed as the tale give for many things of love, the struggle, hero, weather, and nation. The EVS technique purpose is the formation of a smart social actor. There are several learning approaches including a social interacting approach and the behavior in girl technique strategy. There are the stakes of staple in the technique strategy. The big stake, the follow-up stake, the three stakes solved in the end.